I'm Lara and I'm currently doing the taught Masters Practising Theatre and Performance, and I'm originally from southern Germany. I wanted to study a master's degree because after my undergraduate degree, which I also did at Aberystwyth University, I felt like I didn't yet know enough, and the Practising Theatre and Performance Masters is set out to allow for very individual developments. What it involves for me is quite a lot of reading, but the course in itself also entails practical group work, performed essays, which means an academic presentation but using different media other than a written form, which is very hard, but in the best possible sense. You have very long contact hours, but they're usually condensed into one day of full-time contact hours, and the rest of the week it's up to you how you structure your time. People might find that very challenging if you're just left to do it on your own, but that is the point of postgraduate study, that you develop a way of working for yourself. Whatever challenges you might face in being very much left to your own devices, if you do feel lost, you can always approach a member of staff and they will be very helpful. Now, being on a taught masters, you kind of have the best of both worlds. You still have some guidance and impulses that you get from the staff about where you might find good background material or good starting points for your research, but at the same time you have the chance to develop your own projects, develop your own practice. It's not overly hierarchical, it's not they're giving you knowledge, it's a dialogue, it's debate. You feel very welcome and you feel like you are being taken seriously. It is a big step up from undergraduate degrees, but the department in the induction week, what they do is they put on performances of previous master's degrees, so you actually maybe get a bit of an idea of what the end product may be. This is a special department because it offers you that personal side. So you learn patience and tolerance and communication, learn teamworking. People are actually interested in giving you impulses to lead you to develop your own thoughts and to lead you to develop perhaps even your own practice. We even get time and space set aside for us as postgraduate students to do just that. Basically, we're told this time, this studio space is yours, you can do whatever you want. It's a very safe place. I feel safe, and I think that is a huge factor for people if they come from a different country, to come to a place that is actually welcoming to you. Aber has an incredible number of theatre venues. You'd be surprised. It has Aberystwyth Theatre, it has the Arts Centre, which has several different stages, with the Open Platform Festival that allows new and emerging companies to present their work. Then you have the Raffle Club, where open mic nights happen. A lot of different pubs do open mic nights and pub quizzes. You have several different choirs within the university as well as without, so the arts are really well represented. I would definitely recommend this course to people who are serious about pursuing academic careers, but also to people who perhaps are more based on the practice side. I think the course really offers you the different possibilities. If you want to do it, it will be worthwhile.